But see, for me, this is why I left industry as a software engineer, because I was in an industry that was flooded with all sorts of people coming from different disciplines, both from finance, law, and those people were just going to code camp, learning how to program in like 3 months, and then they were getting jobs alongside me, and I have a 4-year computer science degree.
That seems a little ridiculous.
I mean, in a practical sense, like a lot of what people need in web development, you don't really need a 4-year degree for, which is why these people do well.
Right.
But like what you were saying earlier, Jake, which is that for me, I was like, okay, well, this is becoming a skill that's rapidly being replaced by like anybody. But I think that strong analytical skills, especially in statistics, as well as theoretical computer science knowledge, like being able to do big O analysis, stuff like that, is like essential in terms of not only preserving your. I think it's essential for preserving your
utility.
Your utility in the job market, honestly, because most people that are going into software engineering now don't have those skills.
That's true.
So I think in terms of differentiating yourself from the pack and being able to be noticed, you need those skills. And I don't think
you don't get those on Code Academy.
Yeah, and as far as especially in research, like it's hard to imagine how a lot of jobs would be replaced. Like there is software for automatic hypothesis generation, right? But once you have a hypothesis, you still need to test it.
Right.
And especially in medicine, for example.
Figure out what the test is.
Right. So especially in medicine, for example, like at the Broad Institute, we would do a small molecule screening experiment, right? And we would find some candidate molecule that's like, okay, well, this is a treatment for Chagas disease, right? You still need to hire all the people to run the clinical trial and validate it in people.
And that employs a ton of people.
Right.
The clinical trials are not small.
So just because
10,000 people or something enrolled.
Right. So just because you can do predictive modeling and stuff doesn't replace jobs. No. It just makes your hypothesis generation go faster.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's worthwhile.